Hey girl with the big foot. Hey, listen what me said.
No.
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey, big foot. Hey, go up on the bed.
Oh.
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey, big feet.
Yeah.
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah.
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey, big foot.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
how may I help
I'm
you?
trying to get the generator up top there, the 3000.
Up top? Which one exactly you talking
That
about?
one.
Oh, the one on the top shelf. So let me ask you a question. If you can't reach it, or you expect me to reach it?
No, I thought because you work
When
here,
you talk wrong, you blasted idiot. What you try to say? Home Depot hire super
No,
people?
sir, but because you work...
But how me to reach it? How you expect me to
Alright,
reach it?
Can you get somebody that can help
Nobody in here can reach it. None of we can reach it.
Alright, so how am I supposed to get it?
Go buy a ladder. Go buy a ladder. Ladder sitting on the back of the store. Go buy a ladder and
Alright,
come
sir.
back, come reach it.
I just want to get...
Go buy a ladder and come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store.
I just want to...
It's not for sale anymore. Come out of the store.
Excuse me?
Yes,
I didn't realize that my shrimp was actually fried in honey oil,
Okay.
and I'm allergic to honey.
Okay, so what is the problem now?
Yeah, I was wondering if I could have this changed.
No, because the chef already cook it. And at Red Lobster, we don't waste food.
Yeah, I understand, but I'm allergic to
The
honey.
chef already cook it.
Yeah, but if I eat this, I can die.
So you never know that before you order the food. You see people like who come here every day.
Yeah,
Shut up.
Can I have another?
Shut up. Shut up. The food already cooked.
Can I speak to a manager?
No manager, no work. Yeah. What no. What?
Yeah, but what am I supposed to do with this?
Are you buy it? Why you ask me that for?
Yeah, but I want to change it.
The chef already cook.
Yeah, but I'm
Here's
allergic
the
to
check.
honey
Tip is already included.
if I eat
Have
this.
a good day.
Yes, may I please have a medium French vanilla coffee?
We out of coffee right now. We have Milo tea.
Excuse me?
You're deaf. We out of coffee right now. We have Milo tea.
Mr. Bogle, we actually don't have Milo, but we do have coffee, so you need to let the customer know that, please.
Well, they say they have coffee, so where you want?
Yes, a medium French vanilla coffee?
Will that complete your order, sir?
Yes.
Alright, pull up to the second window.
Okay. Oh, and also, can you put 2 spoons of sugar instead of 1?
No, cause nobody now go say Bogle Brown give them diabetes. 1 spoon of sugar. You only getting 1 spoon of sugar.
No, it's okay. You can put 2 spoons of
Me
sugar.
nah give you 2 spoons, sir.
Yes, but I always drink my coffee with 2 spoons
Boss
of sugar.
man, you're only getting 1 spoon of sugar.
And, can I please have 2 spoons of sugar?
No! You're deaf! No! 1 spoon!
No, it's okay. I
1
always do
spoon! Order in the court. Where were you the night of Quang Chung house
I
robbery?
was actually in Hawaii with my wife and my kids.
Well, to be honest, me have a dream, say you do it, and my dream them never rock.
Excuse me?
Me have a feeling, say you do it. Me have a strong feeling, say you.
Yeah, but I was
Look
actually
for
in
me left
Hawaii
eye.
with my-
Look for me left eye. You see how it a jump?
Yeah,
That
with all
means
due
you're
respect,
guilty. You're guilty.
Yeah, with all due respect, that's just the
And
feeling.
with all due respect, you're going to
I
jail.
have my itinerary to show.
Boss man, everything in my belly bottom, I say
I
you
have pictures.
do it. Me have a feeling, say you.
Yeah, I was actually in
Me have a feeling, say you.
Yeah, but I have.
Me have a feeling, say you. You're going to jail.
Hey man, what happened to my car?
What you mean want me to your car? It look like something wrong with your car.
Yeah, my tires-
Me say if it look like
my
something.
tires are gone.
What you mean the tires are gone? The car look perfectly fine
but
to
but
me.
I gave you the car with tires.
So what is your point? What is the point
Yeah, but I
you're
gave you the-
trying to make?
Yeah, but my car had tires.
Okay, and a lot of cars used to have
No, what I gave-
tires.
No, it's because when I gave it to you, when they gave
it to me, what?
No, there was tires on it.
Honestly, boss man, they owe me $500 more because the Osafi bombastic needed to change. But you know what? Just take your car and leave my premises. Take your car and leave. Leave my premises.
Yeah, but I can't drive it like this.
Leave my
but I can't drive it
premises.
like this.
Leave. You come in at my place and accuse me of your missing tires. You can't reach it, or you expect me to reach it.
Excuse me, sir, would you like some help?
Tom, which one exactly you talking about?
Oh, the one on the top shelf. What you talking about, you blasted idiot? What you trying to say? Poor people hire super people?
Hello, sir. Is there something I can help you with? I was wondering if I could get the generator 3000.
The one on the top shelf.
All right, never mind. Never mind. Thanks. I'ma just go. Where's the ladder section?
Straight at the back on the right. Come on, know who you expect to reach that. Excuse me, sir. Do you have your 3D glasses?
No.
Sir, you're going to need your 3D glasses.
Yeah, this is not a 3D movie.
You're going to need your 3D glasses. You're an idiot or a fool, sir.
Yeah, but this is not.
You're an idiot or a fool.
No, but
you're a fool. Put these glasses on and come out of the movie theater. Put the 3D glasses on!
It was not a 3D movie.
Sir, you're going to need the glasses! Enjoy the movie! Have a good day!
Hello.
Hello, good day.
Yes, I'm here to pick up my kid.
Okay, what is the name?
Mark Jr.
Mark Jude. Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here you go, sir. You and your son have a good night.
That's not my kid.
Sir! You and your son have a good night!
No, that's not my kid.
Sir! You and your son have a good night!
Yeah, but that's not my kid.
Jesus Christ!
Yeah, but it's not my kid.
Sir! That is not my problem! Take your son and leave!
Not my kid.
Have a good night, sir!
But it's not my
Good night, sir!
Daddy.
I'm not your father.
Daddy.
I'm not your father. Hey.
But look how long we're out here and at the door, man.
Oh, sorry, I only heard one.
People don't have time for waste, man. Which part exactly I want to put this thing?
You can press it over there.
Sign this piece of paper for me. Alright, sir. Have a good day.
I actually pay for delivery and setup.
Let me ask you a question. Can you set it up?
No, that's what I pay.
So you expect me to set it up?
Yeah, but I actually
It come with a manual, so you set it up.
Yeah, but I pay for delivery.
And your furniture, so you set it up.
Yeah, but I don't know how to set it
But
up.
I don't know either why you think me know if you set it up.
Because you work
But how you expect me to set it up?
Because you work there.
Jesus, sir, have a good night. Have a good night.
Yes, a large pepperoni and a 2-liter Pepsi.
That complete the order?
Yes.
Is this for delivery or pickup?
Delivery.
Okay, address?
30 North Lake Avenue.
Okay, you're like 2 minutes away.
Yes.
So why you not come pick it up?
Excuse me?
Mr. So why you not come pick it up?
I'd rather have it delivered.
What I know me rather you come pick it up.
But I'm paying for the service.
Sir, me not care what you pay for.
Yeah, but I'm
Jesus Christ. Sir, you want the pizza? Yes or no?
Yes.
So come pick up the blowout pizza.
Yeah, but I'm paying for
Sir! This location is officially closed forever. No call back.
All I Batman them and all I hot girl them. You see when it's a GTW? Don't trip. Ghost Rider